For the mashed potatoes, I have selected some old potatoes. Don't take new potatoes. You know, they are too watery to make a very good mashed potatoes. It's important that they already have lose some water content on it. After very simple ingredients, we have a bit of butter, some milk and white pepper, of course some sea salt. So let's go. First we're gonna boil the potatoes. I have put in a large quantity of water. I will add some salt inside and then we will cook them for approximately 45 minutes, 1 hour, it depends on the size of your potatoes. After 45 minutes, now I'm gonna check the potatoes. So I just take a normal knife and you know, like the potatoes don't have any resistance, it's perfectly cooked. So I will put on the side and I will start to warm the milk. So now I'm gonna peel the potatoes one by one. What is very important is always to keep the temperature as maximum as you can. Every time you peel one potatoes, make sure you remove all the black dots and after you press to a very thin sieve. So now my potatoes pulp is ready. I have kept the hot water that I've cooked the potatoes. I will keep it on top like this. The mash will stay very hot. And I will open like this just to evaporate a bit of the excess of the steam. And then step by step, I will incorporate butter as well some milk and I will rectify the seasoning with salt and pepper. I will add step by step, don't need to put everything at the beginning. What is important when you do this is really to try to emulsify. Like this, the butter will create a very nice emulsification and give a beautiful texture to your mashed potatoes. You can see now I have a very beautiful texture. So now what is important is to rectify the seasoning and the mashed potatoes is ready. So I have pre-warmed a serving dish. Like this, the mashed potatoes will stay at a good temperature. I will just put everything on it and you know we will serve it as a family style. La vraie purée, the real mashed potatoes.